down in the old woodshed. Oh, mate, this flu's up my back, down my arms. Oh, so I'm getting rid of this dirty virus. Diddle little lid. The early bird catches the worm. Don't you know manners make the man? I was gonna rent a sea and buy you the beach. Fixing what's not broke gets expensive. Too much bed makes a dull head. Pinch yourself, check you're almost more alive than dead. The truth is stranger than fiction. In silence I ponder what I do me no good to mention. Two wrongs don't make a right. Everybody hates you but I think you're alright. Can't teach an old dog new tricks. Good and quickly seldom meet. Snug as a bug in a rug. Your kind of love is easier said than done. The die is cast, only cats of none loves. All stereotyping moms think alike. It's all love, it's nice to be nice. You shouldn't bark if you can't bite. An idle brain is the devil's workshop. Ignorance is bliss from opera to hip hop. It's all rosy composing an engagement. A monkey in silk is a monkey no less. Virtue is its own reward. Tangled puppets tangle from the cord. A lifeless love is a living death. Fixing what's not broke gets expensive. I need a rest.
Of the hardest things in street theater, well, that's to get the first few people to stop. But if you look around, well, we've already got that. So that's a great start, especially in the cold. Nice one, Amsterdam.